Daniel Byrne here with Ergo TV. I'm here with Dave Mattingly from SafeFlex Floor System. Dave, how you doing? Great to see you again.
Nice to see you.
Thanks for joining me again. Dave, talk to me about the key benefits of SafeFlex.
SafeFlex. So, wow, where do I start? So it's definitely a different system. A lot of competition out there for matting, Dan. SafeFlex is different. Mainly, there's 5 key things. You know, when we get into it to a plant, to a facility, we want to talk about ergonomics or health and safety matting. There's 5 key differences between our product and anything else. Number 1 is the ergonomics, so the actual anti-fatigue value of our product. Number 2 is definitely the safety features. We've got some patented features within our matting that clearly make it a safer brand, a safer product than any other matting that's out there. Number 3 is the durability. Always love to talk about the durability. We have a one and done solution. Most of the matting that's out there right now that's labeled anti-fatigue matting, you put it down, you got to replace it. You should replace it in a couple of months, 6 months, 8 months at the very most. You put our system down, it's down for years and years and years. Number 4 is the versatility of the product. So we've got a patented tab connection system. The mats go together, they lock, it's a modular system. They lock in place. You can actually take 2 mats, fold them in half, and they won't come apart. But if you need to pull the mats apart to reconfigure for any reason, super easy to do. So versatility is number 4. And the 5th one, which I love, is the sustainability of our product. Every single black mat that we put on the floor is made from 100% recycled product.
Oh, that's amazing.
We divert more than 2 million pounds of scrap plastic from Canadian and US landfill sites every year to make these mats. And that's about 92% of the product that we put out there is all recycled material, and it's recyclable at end of life.
So we're about 1 million kilos of PVC. That's amazing. That's incredible. Okay, so thanks a lot for sharing that today, and I look forward to speaking to you.
Great, Daniel.
Cheers.
Thanks, buddy.
Have a good day.